I had missing teeth, I had crowns, I had bridges, I had partials.
When you first meet somebody, that's the first thing they notice. Your eyes, your smile.
It's extremely depressing to not be able to be myself.
I remember hollering, "Call a technical foul on him," and my teeth flew out across the floor. I had to go pick them up and put them back in.
It affects everything, every part of your life. It did me, social, mentally, physically, sexually.
There was no way I was going to walk in to my bathroom every morning and see my teeth in a container.
If you can't eat, if you can't chew, if you're that bad and you want to make a difference, then you got to do implants.
Up until very recently, if your teeth wore out, your only option was a denture. Of course, dentistry is about saving teeth, and so as a result of that, we have this mindset that I need to save my teeth, and that did make sense in the past. But now that we have full mouth dental implants and they're so incredible and so natural, it may make a lot more sense to just replace your teeth rather than trying to restore your failing teeth that needs root canals and crowns.
At Doctors Implants, our doctors are the difference. Who you choose to do this procedure for you is going to be the difference in how successful things are years later. And it's not just a decision that you're making today, it's a decision that you're making about your future. And we understand the importance of that, and we don't take it lightly.
Our patients that call in have a lot of obstacles that they're facing. Education is definitely one. There's a lot out there with dental implants that can be misconstrued or misleading, and they're talking through their fear. They're finding their way through it and finding the courage then to come in and see what we can do.
We start again with our doctors building the perfect foundation for you. That is critical. And then what we put on top of that, how do we get there? How do we get you that perfect, beautiful smile? That starts with our design team, working closely with our doctors, taking many photos of you, taking digital records, and working with you as well to really understand what it is that you want in a smile.
I don't know when was the last time I smiled so you could see all of my teeth.
This place, it's like a second home. I mean, you come in here and it's everybody's family. They call you by your first name. And
Me having a smile now, having the confidence, I don't have to worry about it.
If you want to improve your life, why not take the opportunity just to make a call?
Doctors Implants is completely different. I mean, they're real. It's not just a dentist, and they're going in to put in one implant. This is full mouth implants for me, top and bottom.